How to fix overactivated slime. While it's an easy DIY that will keep your little ones busy for hours upon hours, it doesn't take much to throw the whole recipe off and make it too stretchy, goopy, or simply too hard. And sometimes you can follow the recipe to a T, but still it won't turn out right. But thankfully, there's plenty of ways to fix it up once again without having to throw the slime in the bin. First, hand lotion. It's a so simple it seems too obvious kind of way. It turns out that hand lotion is also a quick fix for hard slime. Just add a spoonful or two, depending on its condition, and a dash of water. Knead the slime and see how it goes, and adjust the extra ingredients accordingly. Second, add a bit more water. Sometimes your slime can be fixed by simply stirring in a bit more water, usually no more than a spoonful. Knead the mixture until it softens up and your slime will be as good as new in no time. Third, antibacterial gel. Another easy fix for slime is to add in a few drops of antibacterial gel. Simply place the slime in a bowl and squeeze in some of the gel. Stir it as best as you can and knead the slime until it is soft. Again, adjust the measurements accordingly if it doesn't work on the first try. Fourth, add more glue. Sometimes slime recipes call for glue, laundry detergents, or even liquid starch. If you have used one of these mixtures, sometimes adding a bit more glue can fix it up. Add the glue in a spoonful at a time, kneading it into the slime to soften it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.